Hello everyone, in this video we will show how to install our proprietary Telegram bot and analyze its functionality. The bot is located in the folder with the client or the core, depending on where you will be running it. We recommend running it on the VPS, so that it is always active. And so, for this we need to add two bots to our Telegram contacts, BotFather and IDBot. Let's make a new bot in BotFather. Next, give it a name. Name must end with bot. Press enter, type the name again and press enter. Now we need to copy the created token. Open the BotClient and paste our token. After that, we need to find out our ID. To do this, open IDBot, press the menu and select Get ID. Copy the ID and paste it into the BotClient. Press enter and wait for the download. After that, close the BotClient. Then, we need to copy our profile from the data folder with the MoonTrader and paste it into the data folder in the BotClient folder. Launch the BotClient and go to the Telegram bot. Here, we press Start and see the control tabs. We will analyze the tabs in order. The first tab is the profile. Here we have a list of all the profiles that we added to the BotClient. We can select all or only the necessary ones. This choice will determine which of our profiles will be affected by our actions in this bot. The second tab is Orders. Here we can add and cancel orders, see the list of placed orders, also take profit and stop loss orders. For clarity, we will show how it works. First, we press Add and configure the parameters of our order, and then click Execute. As we can see, the order has been placed. In the same tab, we can cancel all orders or a specific one. We can also see the placed orders. In the Take Profit Stop Loss list, we can add the parameters of Take Profit and Stop Loss orders, and immediately we can close positions using Panic. The next step is Management. Here we can change the leverage and the margin of the entire market or on certain pairs. We can also see the list of existing trading pairs. Using the Panic tab, we can close positions by Panic. The Algorithm tab allows us to manage our algorithms. Here we can start and stop all algorithms or individual ones. We can also delete unnecessary algorithms. In the Balance tab, we can see all our assets and transfer them between markets. In the Reports tab, we can see reports for a specified period of time by markets, by trading pairs, or in general. In the Positions tab, we can see information on our open positions, volume, price, and P&L. In the Telegram Settings tab, we can enable or disable Telegram bot notifications, such as order fill, complete deals, periodic trading reports, and so on. In the Core tab, we can see information about the status of the core, as well as reboot the core with or without an update. We can also turn it off. This tool will allow you to remotely control your system and make adjustments to your workflow without having immediate access to a client. You can find all available comments in the Help tab. Good luck and bye-bye!